Welcome. In this video, we will do our best to explain to you a very common warehouse management functionality, wave management. Wave management may be hard to grasp, slightly abstract as it is. Through some practical examples, we hope you will get a solid grip on it, and better understand how it can help your warehouse run better. This video presents a high-level and generic overview of a specific SAP product or functionality. The views, information or opinions expressed are solely those of the individuals involved and not those of the individual's employer, or any other group or individual. The goal of this video is to provide information that will make you better equipped to make your own choices. Before we start, let us have a look at what we should expect to achieve by implementing wave management in our warehouses. By using wave management, you will improve the planning and control of warehouse operations. We will shortly tell you how. With wave management, you should also see an improved order fulfillment rate, by securing that each order is picked, packed and staged, well ahead of departure time. In addition, wave management will help you to more optimized usage of the existing workforce, including an opportunity to actually save significant cost of manpower. This is a consequence of being able to even out the workload during the day, avoiding unnecessary workload peaks, that if not managed properly, will lead to a higher demand for warehouse staff. In this illustration, we will show how a sales order with 10 different line items, or warehouse request items can be handled. When wave management is used, sometimes referred to as wave picking, warehouse requests are grouped into different buckets, or more precisely, different waves. EWM uses the condition technique to determine the relevant wave for each warehouse request item, looking at header or line item information for the relevant business document. In EWM, waves can be created and requests added to them completely manually. However, it is more efficient when this is done automatically. To enable that, we need to create wave templates. A wave template enables the same wave attributes to be reused for different warehouse request items that share the same conditions. We will look more into this shortly. New waves are automatically created based on wave templates, and warehouse request items, for instance, outbound delivery items, are assigned to the proper wave based on conditions we define. Waves are equipped with a number of attributes that enable proper usage. As items are added to it, the system keeps count, and the wave attributes are used to ensure that we are not violating any capacity limitations that have been defined. If so, a new wave needs to be created. Since wave management is used for short interval planning, different timing attributes are also part of the wave attributes. For stock removal, EWM uses the planned date and the planned time for departure from yard. If these dates are not available, EWM uses the dates for the goods issue start for outbound deliveries. We also attach factory calendars to a wave or wave template, to avoid that waves are created for days our warehouse is closed for business. Wave assignment and wave release is an integrated part of the complete outbound process flow. We plan to cover the complete flow in more detail in a separate video. Right now, we would like to focus on the term T-out yard. It represents time out of yard, or if you want, the expected departure date/time. If integrated with transportation planning in S/4HANA Transportation Management, this data element can be set by TM, ensuring consistency in the planning between warehouse and transport operations. When the proper departure time and date have been set, either manually or by TM, we can use the wave template attributes to do proper time boxing of activities. Depending on the warehouse process, we can set cutoff time, release time, as well as completion time for the different process steps, such as picking, packing and staging. Wave and wave execution can be closely monitored in the EWM Warehouse Monitor, and we can recognize the different milestones just discussed. With proper time planning, the real-time analytical KPIs in EWM can also be used to make us aware of overdue pickings, late staging, etc. In addition to the automatic release, waves can also be released immediate upon creation or manually by a user. Let us now look at some clever usage of wave management. By utilizing the capacity constraints in the waves, we can ensure that workloads are more evenly spread out during the workday, eventually avoiding peaks and unnecessary overstaffing. By using waves, we can, instead of picking orders as they come in, or are released for deliveries, assign and pick orders based on their actual departure time. This will minimize the risk of picking orders too late, and improve the order fulfillment rate. We can also use waves to orchestrate the picking process of single orders. Based on product attributes or process characteristics, different products on the same order may have a need for different processing windows, and we can assign them to different waves, to ensure that it's all done, complete and ready to ship at the right time for departure. We can also split single warehouse request items. Depending on the ordered quantity, the actual fulfillment of the order may have to be spread across different picking areas of the warehouse. We can ensure this by splitting the quantities and assigning the different unit of measures to different waves. The functionality shown in this video is available in S/4HANA Extended Warehouse Management, embedded and decentralized. It is also available in classic SAP Extended Warehouse Management 9.x. We hope that this video has increased your understanding of wave management, and how it can be used in S/4HANA Extended Warehouse to improve your warehouse operations. Let's recap some of the benefits you should expect. By using wave management, you will improve the planning and control of warehouse operations. With wave management, you should also see an improved order fulfillment rate, by securing that each order is picked, packed and staged, well ahead of departure time. In addition, wave management will help you to more optimized usage of the existing workforce, including an opportunity to actually save significant cost of manpower. Thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. More videos like this coming shortly. See you then.